Hello friends, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily enable or, on the contrary, disable the function of answering calls on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to put your likes and also write comments at the end of the video. And let's get started. Open, please, on your iPhone, your phone settings, and then scroll down until you find accessibility. Go to that, and then you'll find the touch section. Scroll down to the bottom here, and you'll find call sound routing. And then go to call auto responses. And as you can see, this takes you to a page where you can either enable call answering, or if you have it enabled, you can disable it. Also down here at the bottom, you can customize the time after which the call will be answered. The default is always 3 seconds. You can increase this time or you can decrease it. And you can also disable this feature by simply clicking on this button. This is how you can either enable or disable the call answering feature on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please put your likes, post your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.